So here's the Renault Espace from 2010. It's a Renault Espace 4, and let's see how to use the panoramic roof. This can be opened even more from this knob here. So you have to rotate this one, the left side from the center till there. It is for this shade, that one, and from the center till there is for the glass itself. You can open the glass also. This one only till here, till the center. So this part is opening and that part is fixed. Okay, to open it, let's rotate it. So currently it's at the first step. That's the, let's say, the 0, that's the first, and it's not moving. That's because we have to press the start button once, just once. Okay, and to the left side it's closing and to the right side it's opening. So if I rotate it there, notice it's closing. Okay, so first step, it's opening till a metal bar. No, it's not opening there. Second step. Yes, the second one opens it till that metal bar, which is between the two glass sheets. The third one, the last one, is opening it all the way back. That's it. So now the roof is totally opened. The shade. Okay, now if I rotate it from the center till there, it will open the glass itself. Let's take a look. So I will rotate it, and meanwhile let's take a look from the outside. So I'm rotating it to the right. So a small portion is opened. It has a mesh there, so only that small portion is opened. That's the next one. It has more steps, 6 steps, if I remember well. Small increments. Okay, and that's the last one. No more. So the roof is opened. It looks like that. Okay, now if I move it all the way to here, it will close both the shade and the glass. Because both are closing. That's the glass, and that's the shade. This is not transparent at all. Okay, and let's open the glass a little bit. Now let's use the key. So this is opened, and if I press and hold the lock button, it should close the side glasses and the top glass also. Let's try it. It's not closing it. It closed that one. Let's close these. Now all the doors are closed and that one is opened. Now press and hold. It's not closing it. Now it's closing it. Interesting. Now it's opened. It's not doing anything because it's locked from here. It's not doing anything, so press the start again. press and hold the lock. It's not closing it. No, it's closing it. And the shade is not closed. Now it won't work unless you press the start and then that one. Okay, so that's a panoramic roof of this Renault Espace from 2010. It also has a button that's for memorizing the position of the glass or this shade, I'm not sure. Theoretically, you should press it for, let's say, 2 seconds and it should close the shade. But it's not doing anything. So I'm not sure about that.